class, our topic for today is about factoring polynomials with greatest common factor, or the GCF. But before we proceed to our lesson proper, let us have a short review on how to get the GCF of numbers. Let us have 18 and 30. So we have to get the prime factors of each number. 18, we have 9 times 2. Ang 9 ay mayroong factor na 3 times 3. Now, we have the factors of 18, 3 times 3 times 2. What about 30? 30 has 6 times 5. 6 factors are 2 times 3. The factors or the prime factors of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Let us have those prime factors. Ang common sa mga factors ni 18 at 30 ay 2 at 3. Kukunin natin sila and then we will multiply. And that is equal to 6. Therefore, the GCF of 18 and 30 ay 6. Next, we have 16 and 28. Ang factors ni 16 ay 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Si 28 naman ay 2 times 2 times 7. Ang common sa kanilang dalawa ay 2 times 2. Kukunin natin sila. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, the GCF of 16 and 28 is 4. Let us have a short drill on how to get the GCF of each number. Number 1, 12 and 15. Number 2, 10 and 35. Number 3, 8 and 24. Number 4, 16 and 24. Number 5, 28 and 49. Number 6, 27 and 63. Number 7, 30 and 45. And number 8, 48 and 72. Balikan natin ang number 1. The GCF of 12 and 15 is 3. Number 2. The GCF of 10 and 35 is 5. Number 3. The GCF of 8 and 24 is 8. Number 4. The GCF of 16 and 24 is 8. Number 5. The GCF of 28 and 49 is 7. Number 6. The GCF of 27 and 63 is 9. Number 7. The GCF of 30 and 45 is 15. And lastly, the GCF of 48 and 72 is 24. Next, let us have factoring out a monomial from polynomial form. The GCF of 3 and 6 is 3. Hindi natin pwedeng kunin ang GCF ng variable dahil we only have one variable in our polynomial form. Therefore, the GCF of 3x and 6 is 3. we divide 3x by 3, and that is x. Next, we divide 6 by 3, and that is 2. Therefore, the factored form of 3x plus 6 is 3 quantity x plus 2. Number 2. We have 5x squared minus 15x. Kukunin muna natin ang GCF ng numbers. We have 5 and 15. GCF is 5. Next, the GCF of the variables. We have to get the factors of x squared, and that is x times x, and x is equal to x. Ang common sa kanila ay one pair of x, and that will be the factor of, or the greatest common factor of x squared and x. And then quantity, we divide 5x squared by 5x, and then we have x. We divide negative 15x by 5x, and that is negative 3. Therefore, our answer is 5x quantity x minus 3. To check, you have to multiply 5x by the terms inside the quantity. Next, number 3. Common factors or the GCF of 4, 6, and 8. And that is 2. GCF of the variables. X is not a common factor. Wala tayong variable sa last term, which is 8. So we will now put quantity and then divide 4x squared by 2. The answer is 2x squared. 6x divided by 2 is 3x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. To check, again, multiply. Next, GCF of the numbers. We only have 1. And the GCF of the variables is x. And then we divide 5x cubed by x. The answer is 5x squared. Negative 2x squared divided by x. The answer is negative 2x. Last, negative x divided by x is negative 1. To check, again, you have to multiply. Now, what is a common monomial factor? A common monomial factor is a number, a variable, or a combination of a number and a variable which can be found in each term of a given polynomial. Again, GCF stands for greatest common factor.
That's all for today, class. I hope you learned a lot, and don't forget to practice on how to get the GCF of the given polynomials. Let me leave you a short saying by Noreen, that life is a polynomial equation with a leading exponent of positive infinity, so you will never run out of solutions. Have a nice day. Bye-bye!